Hi everyone, welcome to Acharya Mathematics. It always seems impossible until you visit Acharya Mathematics. I hope you have seen my previous videos. In case you are not seen, please go through it. Dear students, in today's class we discuss exercise 10.2 question number 17. The question is like this. The owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk in each week at rupees 14 per liter and 1220 liters of milk each week at rupees 16 per liter. Assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand, how many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? Here, question seems to be lengthy, but it is very easy question. Okay, see here what is given here. The owner of a milk store finds that selling and demand. Okay, he sell 980 liters means a demand of milk at rupees 14 per liter. Okay, here what is given here, demand and versus selling price is given. Okay, so here two datas are given here at rupees 14 liter, at rupees 14 per liter, the demand of milk is 980 liter. Okay, and here the demand of milk is 1220 liter at the price of 16 per liter. Okay, got it here. So here this is we considered as this is selling price. Okay, this is demand of milk, selling price of milk, demand of milk. And again, what is given? Assuming a really a linear relationship between selling price and demand. So linear means when we plot the graph by using these data, it gives a straight line. That is said to be a linear. Okay, and what asks that here, how many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? That is at rupees 17 per liter, how many liters he sell? Okay, means how much demand we observe at rupees 17 per liter. So this is the data. Okay, so what to do here? Here what is given here, demand versus selling price is a given that linear relationship means when we plot the graph price versus demand, it gives a straight line. First I am going to take a straight line. We assume that what is here at 14 rupees, the demand is 980. I am going to take consider here, demand is all here liters along the y-axis and price along the x-axis. Okay, so here when 14 liters at rupees 14 per liter, the demand is this one. So I mark a point on line here. Okay, so it means that at 14 the demand of milk 980. Okay, next at 16, you just take it as 16 here. At 16 here the demand of milk in liter, that is given 1220. Okay, so this is 14, when 14 is 980, when 16 it is given, that is 1220, means that is 16 comma 1220. I hope you got it, yes or no. This is, I take it as 14, this is 16, so this is just to assume as 980, and here you assume that this point as 1220. Okay, next here what to find here, How many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17? Just I take it as 17. Okay. So 17 is this one. We have to find the corresponding demand. Means that is, this is question mark. I hope you got it, yes or no. So here we have plot the graph price versus liter. Means general coordinates of the line, we, that is price and demand, that is P represents the price, means x coordinate is P and y coordinate is D. Okay, so here on this line these two points are known, hence we find the equation of the line by using these 2 points, that is 2 points are known, that is we use point form. The formula is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so here first we find the equation of line. Equation of, I call it as line L. Okay, equation of L is, so we have taken x along the x-axis price, along the y-axis demand. Okay, so here just I am going to replace y as D minus y1 divided by P minus x1. P minus x1 equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. I hope you got it. Yes or no? So here we take these points, that is first point is 14 comma 980 980 as x1 comma y1. One more point, that is 16 comma 1220, that is x2 comma y2. Okay, next. Here you substitute the values for x1 y and x2 y2. We get D minus y1, that is 980 divided by P minus x1, that is how much, that is 14, equals y2 minus y1, that is 1220 minus 980 divided by x2 minus x1, 16 minus 14. Yes or no? Next you write as it is, LHS D minus 980 divided by P minus 14 equals 1220 minus 980. By subtracting, we get 0 minus 0, 12 minus 8 is 4, 11 minus 9 is 2. So, in the numerator, we get 240. Denominator, 16 minus 14, that is equal to 2. Next, D minus 980 upon P minus 14 equals 2 ones are 2 120s. Yes or no? It gives 120. Next, D minus 980 equals 120 of P minus 14. On cross multiplying, we obtain this one. So this is the relationship between the, price and demand of the demand. Okay. Next here we should find how many liters is sell weekly at rupees 17. Okay, so here what is we have to find D. Yes or no? Here P means x coordinate. We have to find, put P is equal to, put P equals 17. Put P equals 17. Then we can find demand. Okay, so here D minus 980 equals 120. P is 17 minus 14. That is D minus 980 equals 120 minus 17 minus 4 is 3. Yes or no? Next, D minus 980 equals 12 threes are 36. 120 is, I mean, 360. Okay. So D equals 360 plus 980. So 360 plus 980. We add up these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 6, 14. 1. 4 plus 4 plus 9. That is 13. Yes or no? That is D equals 1340 liters. So this is required. Okay, we got it here. So here demand of milk at rupees 17, demand of milk at rupees 17 per liter is, that is 1340 liter. Okay, I hope you got it. Yes or no? Thank you for watching.